Been working on this golf cart, easy go, and it been running like crap. Got the carb clean and everything, and it still runs like junk. So I'm going to do the unthinkable, and I'm going to try to put a Chinese carburetor on this thing. So here it is, next to the old one. It looks similar. I don't even know if this original one was Chinese or not. I don't know. It's not my golf cart. This one comes with the gaskets and clamps and all that. This is the brand. I don't even know if that's a real brand. That's from Amazon. I could leave a link if it works. I'm going to slap this thing on and see how it works. Okay, I'm going to try starting it. The fuel line is completely empty, so it's going to take forever to get in there. But better choke it. Oh. Start it, take the choke off. Not quite warmed up. Seems to run okay so far. Got the Super Chinesium carb on there, and now I'm gonna take her for a little rip ski. Runs pretty good. So I guess in this case, this Chinese carburetor didn't suck too bad.